Hello guys and welcome to this video where we are going to be comparing the premium and the free invites on Evite. So once you search for a category of card you want to design, you'd see that, or let me just choose one. Let me say kid's birthday. There is the free version which allows you to edit and send invitations out for free, but it is less sophisticated than the premium invitation cards. Now for the premium invitation cards, we can see how cool some of these are, and then the free ones are just bland. They are still cool, but obviously the premium is always better. So one thing about the premium invitation is that you get to have cooler and more classic designs rather than the free invitation. There are some cool designs in the free invitation, but let's just take a look at the premium one for now and see how. Okay, look at a free invitation is like this, is very cool. This is also cool, but let's see what the premium has to offer. Let's click on one. So one of the basic differences is that the premium has the animated effect and feel. You get to see or check out the reviews. You can choose the various reviews, which means that if the person clicks on yours, it should appear in a revealing manner. Okay, let's choose a review. Yes, it should appear somewhat like this. So you can go ahead to choose any type of review you want. So it should appear. Okay, we can also choose an envelope review. So once we choose an envelope review, we can choose any color we want, and it would automatically be added. So the basic difference between a premium version and the free version in Invite is that you get a whole lot of envelope and card reviews with cool background and all other effects. However, you don't have that in the free version. The free version is just text, and then you send out your invites. Okay, yes, I will exit. So let's just check out the free version to just compare. Okay, let's choose one here. So this is the free invitation. Let's click on it. Let's just choose this, and then we can see that the background and effects, envelope, and the reviews are locked for premium customers. So you can only customize the text and then proceed to add other event details. So this is the basic difference between the premium and the free version of the Evite invitation cards. If this video has been helpful to you, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.